Here are the statements that we're going to be processing into Excel. These are fake statements, but we've made them match the NBAD online format from the UAE. The complicated part here is that the dates are vertically centered within a transaction that spans multiple lines. So we need to deal with that. Other than that, we've got the amount and we've got a balance. But the way that we're going to deal with the vertically centered dates is that we're going to just double check that the structure of the template matches the structure of the document that we're processing. So the template comes from StatementReader. So within the UAE, we're going to go to NBAD online. Within the other NBAD formats, we can just double check that they don't match the document that we're processing. And we can just read off the column heading, so transaction date, value date, transaction details, all matches across the top there. We click to browse for the document that we're going to process, and we click go. And we've got a repair summary that's showing 100%. And in Excel, we've got that raw data that's been extracted and also validated for you to edit, for you to use in Excel as you would normally. And that's it.